Hey guys, welcome back. So we are here with this solution to the black screen or the shadow which you usually see like this. So as you can see, I'll show you from the other side also. Just give me a second. Yeah, and here you see this also. When I zoom out, you find this, and when I zoom in, it will be perfect, but when it zoom out, it is not. You can see this, right? So I'll show you what you must do at this time. So just let me come out. See, I'll show you first. When I'm very close, everything is perfect. When I go out, it's not. Okay, so what I'll do is now I'll select my camera and I'll delete it and okay. Then I can go and add, click on camera and again click on 0. Yeah, go in and then zoom out. So if you find this frame not selected, you have to click on N. For that case, select on the camera and then you can do, and see, it's perfect now. There is no black marks and nothing left. See, it's perfectly fine here. So I'm showing you by all angles. If you do like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and watch this next video. Thank you.